Welcome to Cannon Coffee and Espresso. We're going to be doing a test shot on a Delonghi. We recently just replaced the pump, a little filter after the pump, the group head gasket, as well as the brew basket. Let's see how the shot comes out. Oh, excuse me.
Probably going to be a little bit hot because the steam was on, but it seems to be working good. Nice smooth shot of espresso.
Let's check the steam, and now that's where we'll bring it up to a higher temp. Should be already there though. Let's give a quick little check here. Put a little water out, and here comes our steam.
So let it heat for a minute.
All right, light solid indicates we're up to temp. Let's check the steam here. Should be nice and strong. There we go. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more, please like our channel. Thanks for having a repair at Cannon Coffee and Espresso.